Hey, good evening. Hope you're all doing well. Did you know the one thing that you can gain, or the one thing that is most prized and valued that you can gain in your entire lifetime? It is that only one thing. There is no more, nothing is bigger than that. Do you know one thing that's most prized, that's like highly rated? What's that? Yes, this is one of the question, very unique and strange question. One of us very small teenager asked me this question, and while I didn't have the exact answer at that time, a few weeks ago I actually knew that answer, came across that answer, and it was so comforting that yes, this is what it is. So what happened was a few weeks back, this question came in my DM, and I just told that person that I'll get back to you when I actually have the correct answer, like that one possessed or the most prized thing. It should be only one thing. It cannot be some more or less, nothing like that. It should be just one thing. What is that? So I was like, such a specific question she was able to ask, so I should also come up with something very specific. But I was thinking and thinking, and I was pondering over it. I was waiting for the right time when it actually clicked for me that I should genuinely feel that there should be just one thing, nothing more than that. So few days went by, and suddenly we had a family loss. Somebody in our very close circle had passed away, and he was in some of his 60s age, and we had gone to the person's funeral as well. And what was the biggest thing or most touching part that I felt during that funeral ceremonies and the rituals were, though we were all far away, standing with all social distance and mask and gloves and whatnot, at that age when somebody had passed, and that in the current scenario when there is so much of, what to say, so much of worry and tension and lot of hiccups of going to a funeral and all, I saw so many people who were in their 60s, 70s, 80s coming to the funeral without any hiccups or without any two thoughts, wearing everything very protected, wearing the mask, wearing the gloves, almost like, and maintaining the social distance and keeping things away and ensuring that they are present there, they are there for that person even during that time. And it felt as if that person who had passed had actually gained so many good relationships. And that is one thing I feel is the answer to that girl's question who is in the teenage. And if she could realize it at such a young age, that good relationships are the only thing that you can gain and are the only thing that's most prized and most valued. I would say it is much beyond the knowledge that you have as well. Yes, knowledge is very prized and very valuable, but beyond that, having such good relationships is like, it felt so comforting even when I was in the funeral actually to see that. But it felt as if like, okay, this person has gone with a smile, with a thought, with a marked difference in people's life, and he had such good relationships around. Yes, everybody has their own ups and downs, that's totally different, but the only thought that came into my mind with a wide smile when I was actually in a funeral was, this person has made a difference in people's life, has gained so many good healthy relationships, that even in people at their 80s want to come and be there for the funeral, pay that last visit to that person's body or the life. And then it was very eye-opening for me, because I felt that there would be none who would come and only a few youngsters who will be there, or only the immediate closed ones who will be there. But things changed completely. I was like living in some kind of a bubble. And immediately it just connected me to the question that child had asked. And it was I was very firm in that answer. There was no two thoughts about it. And I knew that this is the only answer that I could give that child. And that's the only answer to that question. One thing, only one thing that's most prized and most valuable that you can gain in the entire lifetime is your relationships, right? Even when you go, people are remembering you. What else would you need? And definitely, I would say that's the most comforting thing. Seeing so many people coming for your funeral, saying such good things in all the small, as in it's such good things even in the slightest tone, comforting the immediate family members. I think that's the best thing I saw in the past few months. And yes, for you also, I would say the same. Gain healthy and happy relationships around. Have healthy and happy relationships around. I would really tell that we as elders should actually act and also convey that to our children, that relationships are important. Relationships must be handled. Relationships must be worked upon. Yes, you need to give. And it's not just about relationships with others, it's relationship with yourself first. The relationship that you have with yourself matters, and then that's how the relationship with others also matters. That's how it actually penetrates. That's how it actually goes beyond you. So, yes, for me, the answer is relationships. Relationships are the most prized, most valuable thing a person can gain in his entire lifetime. Nothing small, nothing bigger than that. It's just relationships. And I really vouch for that, that good relationships, healthy relationships come a long way. Not just during your happy times, even when you're thick and thin, during your grey days, when you're down, they are just there unconditionally to pull you up. Hope this video helps you and answers your questions. Thank you so much and have a great day.